it's not Bangkok for us. Basically, we call Bangkok as กรุงเทพ or someone would just casually say กทม which is an abbreviation for กรุงเทพมหานคร. And traditionally, from the old times, we would call Bangkok as Bangkok. And I think someone just tried to wrote that down in English as Bangkok. And then somehow foreigners just pronounce it like Bangkok. And everyone now is calling กรุงเทพ as Bangkok, but no Thai is calling Bangkok as Bangkok. We say กรุงเทพ or casually กทม. However, if someone say Bangkok, we usually know it's Bangkok. And it's not Thailand for us. We call our country Thai or ประเทศไทย ประเทศ means country, and usually when we call any countries, we say ประเทศ before the country's name. So it's something like country Nigeria, country Malaysia, country Philippines, something like that. So we call our country ประเทศไทย or เมืองไทย. เมือง means a city, even though Thailand or our ประเทศไทย is not a city, it's a country, but we call ourselves like we call our land as a city or a เมือง so เมืองไทย it means Thailand or ประเทศไทย. I hope I help you know more a little bit of Thailand or เมืองไทย and I hope you have fun learning with us as well. See you again in the next video. Bye สวัสดีค่ะ